Who is a collaboration conductor in general sense of the word? Facilitator of collaboration. Somebody who facilitates collaboration within team is a collaboration conductor, correct? Collaboration conductor means somebody who facilitates collaboration. In simple term, let us say Scrum Master. How does a Scrum Master facilitate collaboration within the team? You have multiple team members in a team, correct? It's very easy to come and tell, guys, we are doing Scrum now, so we must collaborate. It's easier said than done. You have to do things through which the team members are able to collaborate with each other, and one of the things that Scrum already gives us is, if you really follow the framework in true sense, the way it is, the way the events are to be performed, the way the roles are, correct, the way the rules are, in my opinion, the default setting of Scrum is everybody collaborates. Am I right or wrong? Am I right? Sure? Anybody has objection? Now, can you give me 2-3 examples of what makes Scrum as a framework by default inculcate the collaboration behavior within team members? And when I say team members, which team I am talking here? No, Scrum team. Why? You must collaborate both within the dev team and outside the dev team. So, product owner and the dev team and of course the Scrum Master must collaborate, right. So, what is the meaning of collaboration and how does Scrum helps us to be collaborative in our work? So, what is the meaning of collaboration? Either give me definition or give me analogies. People work towards commonly people work together towards a common goal. Do you all agree? So, I will give you one example. 4 of us are playing relay race, participating in a relay race. 4 of us. What is a relay race? There is a baton, there is a destination, there is a track identified. Goal is clear. 4 of us are working together towards a common goal. Start, ready, the race has started. Are we collaborating? Are we collaborating? No. Are we collaborating or are we not collaborating? While you are playing relay race, not collaborating. Why? Why are we not collaborating?
Because only one person and then he pass over the button and then he relaxes.
Okay. Why are we collaborating? Or how are we collaborating?
One person doesn't reach to the other person on time.
But is that really collaboration? Don't you think it's coordination? It's just coordination. My work is over, you take it up from here.
No, the end result is the better.
End result is the better, but while the performance is going on, are we collaborating or just coordinating?
Because this person is also preparing himself, the one who starts from the
Again think of coordination for a moment. Just think what I just said. Coordination, it's coordination. I am ready, you just give me and I will start running. And then when I pass the baton to the second person, yes, together we are winning, we are a team. In relay race, it's more of coordination which is needed. Coordination of what height you will pass the baton to me, this height, what will be the position. So, coordination can still help. Now, I will give you another analogy, another metaphor. A team playing rugby. Are they coordinating or collaborating? Now, you tell. Just now compare it. They are not just coordinating, they don't know the path. Nothing is sure. The ball even pitches on the ground, which direction it will go, we don't know. Have you seen rugby ball? Correct? If I drop a rugby ball, can you guarantee which direction it will go? No, because shape is oval. Complex domain. Relay race is a simple domain or complex domain? Simpler domain at least, right? And rugby is clearly a complex domain. So, will coordination help you win rugby? Or much more than that, whatever role we decide on the ground we don't know. It's the team's interplay, passing the ball back and forth, which takes you to the goal. So, coordination, collaboration. And having said that, to me, coordination is the stepping stone towards reaching collaboration. You cannot collaborate unless you are at least in a position to coordinate. Which means at least let us be clear of our expertise and our skills. Unless we know that plus know each other, then only we can think of collaboration. Is it making some sense now? Now in Scrum, who is the collaboration conductor? Scrum Master, it is very clear. How does Scrum promote collaboration within the Scrum team?
As part of the agile ceremonies, for example, in sprint planning, the team as a whole decides which are the stories to pull in and who will do what.
So this is deciding the goal. Okay. Is collaboration during deciding the goal or during playing the game? Collaboration is more needed during deciding the goal or during when the game is played? More needed, right? Maybe if you look at planning also, so let us do a collaborative planning, that is one way of saying, but real collaboration will also come further when the team is actually, so everything, daily stand-ups collaborate, sprint planning you collaborate, retrospective you collaborate. So if you now further make it more tools and more precise the way, so do not assign a story entirely to a team member or a team member, so nobody should be assigned any task. The thing is, these are our stories and first story let us together deliver based on each of the person's skills, which means now we will just pass the ball back and forth and finally deliver. If we decide Priyesh you do this task, Rahul you do this task, this is now a coordination, correct. So even such thing can help. The idea is don't assign, don't have individual goals, and for that reason Scrum has no titles in the development team also, no titles. Now you understand the psychological thing, because the moment titles come somewhere I think I am the programmer, so I just have to do programming, I am the batsman, I just have to score 50 runs, my job is over. No, everyone's job will be over when the team wins, and together we have to win. So this is how Scrum by default ensures that the team members collaborate with each other, right. Are we clear? Now using various tools, all these characteristics, self-organization, common goal, cross-functional team can ultimately lead to collaboration within the team, and that is why I keep saying Scrum is by default a framework which creates a collaborative environment.